Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can cancel your Google Pro or Advanced subscription. So, first thing, you need to get into your browser, log in with your Gmail, and then as you can see here, there is the Google Apps. You just select it, then scroll down until you find the Google one. You just press on it. After that, you should have this tab. You go here on the top right corner and select Settings. Then you will find Cancel Membership. Then you choose Cancel. Don't worry, your subscription will still be on until the next auto renewal. So then you go to Cancel Membership. Then you have this subscription. You just select Manage. And then Cancel Subscription. After that, you just select the reason why you want to cancel it. You can choose any one of this and then press Continue. And as you can see, your subscription will be cancelled at the end of your billing period and you won't be charged anymore. So we choose Cancel Subscription. And here we go, your subscription is cancelled. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.